Okay, in this next video, I'm just going to be talking about plugging in a USB hard drive. This one here, I've got just normal USB. It's got its own power adapter, and it's a Seagate drive, if anyone wants to know what make it is. So all you do is just plug it into the USB slot in the device, and you should get a little message pop up on the bottom right hand corner. USB is mounted, there we go. And in the same way that you can access all the other files, just go straight onto the file manager, click on the USB icon, and you can just browse through the files in the same way that you'd want to browse for any files. The hard drive itself is formatted as NTFS file system, so it even works with that kind of file system, because often USB thumb drives are not formatted in the same way. But if that's too technical for you, don't worry about it. In other words, it'll work with any hard drive. So yeah, you just scroll around, access any files any way you would like. Okay, in this next section of the video, someone asked me about flash compatibility with the device. So what I thought I'd do is just quickly go on YouTube. It defaults to the mobile version of YouTube because obviously, as I said in a previous video, it will still think the device is a phone unless you tell it otherwise. But I'll get onto that in a second. So I've just clicked on a video here. My internet's a little bit slow today for some reason. So I'm just going to unclick the high quality mode. And there you go. Video works as per normal. I'll just skip through a couple of little bits. A nice little trick here is if you want to make sure that your browser defaults to a normal browser, like a desktop version of the internet site, just click on the top right here and make sure it said you click on request desktop site, just like so, and then it will change the site for you, and then you can just access the files as you would normally access them, as they would appear on a normal PC rather than a mobile phone. That's a handy tip for anyone that wants to know that. There is another way to do it, but I'll talk about that in a different video.